Good morning everyone. My name is Kushavi from Poda International School, Magiru, Bengaluru. Today, I stand here to present our project, the Golden Ambulance. First off, the sole purpose of this project is to help the emergency vehicles reach their destination without any inconvenience. Because we know that generally in India, people won't wait for the emergency vehicles to go, even if there is a lot of emergency. From our mistake, from our arrogance, we should not lose even a single life. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, he says the quote Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. That means one earth, one family. That is the case. We should look after our own family members and their conveniences. Now, let us look at the working principle of our project. Our project uses wireless communication to help the ambulance reach its destination. Now, here there is one transmitter and a transceiver. The transmitter is fitted in the ambulance, while the transceiver is in the traffic lights along with the signal controlling unit. Now, around 2 kilometers away from the signal junction, there is a transmitting unit placed that will act as a route coder. The transmitting unit will send a route code to the ambulance when it is 2 kilometers away from the junction, and based on the route code, when the ambulance comes nearby to the signal junction, it will give the route code to the signal point, and based on the signal point, the route will be cleared. Now let us look at the demo. Here, let us suppose in scenario 1, our ambulance is approaching the traffic light, and here we can see that the traffic lights has turned into green because the ambulance has shared the route code to the traffic lights. Now, let us imagine scenario 2. Let us suppose that in scenario 2, the ambulance is coming to the traffic lights in this lane. We can see that now that the traffic lights have turned green and this route has been cleared for this ambulance to pass through. Now, why are we choosing route code? Because the signal controlling unit wouldn't know from where the ambulance is coming from. So, on 4 roads, there are 4 route coders. So, based on the route code, the particular lane would be cleared. So, using this simple technique or a simple concept, we are hoping that we could decrease the amount of unnecessary death rates caused by either bleeding, road accidents, or any other things, or any other traumatic incidents. Thank you.